Zach and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Hollywood, California. It is currently 2:30 p.m. I decided to sleep in today, take it easy, because for the past 3 months I have been working my ass off to be able to afford what I'm about to do on this trip, so stay tuned for that. But it was a good day to just unwind, let it be. I am currently on my way to Veggie Grill. I saw Jermaine Ellis do an episode on Veggie Grill, and they have these vegan hot wings, and I've never had vegan hot wings, so I want to try them out because I love hot wings. Hello. I am at Veggie Grill for the first time. Keep in mind, I am not vegan, but I really do like hot wings, so if I enjoy vegan hot wings, then we have a game changer. Also, they do not have Coca-Cola products here. They don't have any unorganic products here. They only have organic drinks. So I got the Mexican cola. All right, let's give it a try. Tastes almost like actual chicken. Can't really tell the difference unless you're trying to tell the difference. The ranch is okay. I'd probably eat the vegan hot wings without ranch. Pretty good. My friend Itzel Pretzel recommended that I come here to Amoeba Music. So let's give a quick look inside of this record store. I just got a Coca-Cola from 7-Eleven back here. I'm not with that organic shit. I'm on my way back to my Airbnb. I'm going to work on yesterday's video. I'm almost done with it. I just need to put some finishing touches on it, and then I'm good. And then tonight I plan on going out to a bar that I loved last time I was here in Hollywood. So stay tuned later on in this video, which probably will be in the next scene, maybe, I don't know. Well, I just finished my video from yesterday. So now that I'm done with that, let's go out. I am going to be heading to the Rainbow. I absolutely love this bar. The last time that I went a year ago, celebrities tend to frequent this bar. I've seen Jim Florentine from That Metal Show. I've seen Ron Jeremy there. My advice if you want to spot celebrities in Hollywood is don't expect it. Don't look for it. Just enjoy yourself. Enjoy a beer. Enjoy your food. Enjoy whatever. And if you see them, you see them. If you don't, you don't. Hello. Angel City IPA. Cheers from Hollywood, California. So I see you goodbye, as you're waiting for a smile. What can I be after my love? What the world got to hide as the road is going down now, we run. But when the night is come to fire, taking a ship on the star, as you can be after my blood. So I'm sitting deep and dying, as I'm waiting for a smile. What can I be? Well, I'm back at my Airbnb. I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. My name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Good night from Hollywood, California.